Hey, I'm Eric with BlueMooseTraveler. I make bad videos in pretty cool locations. So check out this reel. Fuck off for now. Only because I like you guys do I go on these things. We're on the London Eye.
Hi, I'm Meg. I live around here in Southwark. Minute.com London Eye. Are you ready to be part of London's skyline? Whilst you're enjoying the amazing views, the ride might stop briefly at times, just to help other guests get on. This is totally normal.
Parliament Tower. There's a statue of Abraham Lincoln over there. Where are they playing soccer? All the way over there in that field. It is reported that the Thames River has E. coli. They recommend you not jumping in. See more boat activity. I don't think so. I think this is too short for the curves. I don't think those boats, the crew boats, turn very well. Super popular. So we'll get on the hop on, hop off bus over here. But in this building here is Ripley's. There's a aquarium in there.
What's that?
Ripley's, believe it or not, and a aquarium is actually in that building. Listen to these bells, St. Paul's Cathedral. Happy Easter. Okay, so we like going to McDonald's in every country to do the taste tests. So let's check it out. Fries. Happy to. It's a child-proof water bottle. I have to peel something and then open it.
But there's a peel split.
Uh-oh, give me a second. Quarter pounder and cheese. Let's see. How disappointing. It tastes exactly like if I was in the States.
What would you expect?
McDonald's have been different. Every place I go to, they taste different. How are your nuggets?
Pretty good. I haven't been to a McDonald's in years.
Yeah. Oh, paper straws and plastic lids. Definitely doesn't taste the same. That's Sprite. That's because they use cane sugar. Okay, bye. Competition is not everything, but when it arrives, she will go down. She will go. Look at it. She just tried to look at my cards. What a cheater.
I was sitting on my seat.
Cheater. All right, so red one is first. I dealt, you go. All right, guys, we got a problem here. Go out on a power card, change color card, because she just won. I have one card left, but she went out on that. Please let me know in the comments if that's the rules or not, because I think she's cheating. She's cheating. Drunk English guy. Hand handling. Drawn and quartered. I haven't had it. I guess fine.
Every time you close your eyes, dream of me. I wanna be a fantasy. Imagine the water falling all on me. I wanna be in your